Hi everyone. Today, we have 3 daily tips for a happier home. Please grab a cup of coffee, sit and relax. Let's get a start and see how they improve your day. Tips number 1: Make your bed. It helps keep things clean. Linens and pillows will keep their shape better and, you might sleep better. It also instantly polishes your room. Tips number 2: Do not let dishes pile up. Wash dirty dishes at least daily. It's great if you can wash it every time after the meal. Dishwashing is necessary to keep a kitchen clean and plates and silverware safe to use. Tips number 3: Keep surfaces clutter-free. Everything you bring into the home must have a home, and it can't be on a flat surface such as a counter, table, or floor. Once you get into this habit, you'll enjoy the clean and clear counters and tables. It's incredibly soothing and makes for a much more excellent environment. I hope you enjoy with 3 tips. Thank you for watching the video. Please comment below. I want to know how it changes your day for the better.